Ladies and gentlemen, this is The Startup, the channel for business and entrepreneurship. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing whether an MBA is a prerequisite for starting a successful business. This is a topic that has been debated for many years, with opinions divided on whether or not an MBA puts you at an advantage. So let's explore this topic in more detail and take a look at some well-known entrepreneurs who succeeded without an MBA. Firstly, let's define what the term means. An MBA, or a Master of Business Administration, is a graduate degree that covers a range of business topics such as finance, accounting, marketing, and management. This degree aims to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the business world. So, what are the benefits of studying an MBA? One of the main benefits of getting an MBA is the broad range of business knowledge that it provides. Graduates have a good understanding of various business aspects, which could help them make informed decisions in their business ventures. Also, MBA programs often include networking events and opportunities to meet industry professionals, so this is definitely an advantage. What alternative options are there to an MBA? If you're not interested in getting an MBA, there are other options. Online courses and workshops could be a cost-effective way to learn about various business topics. There's also mentorship programs and business incubators, which provide valuable guidance and support to new entrepreneurs. Are there any successful entrepreneurs without an MBA? Yes, many successful entrepreneurs didn't get an MBA degree. For instance, our very own Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, left school at the age of 16 and started his first business, a magazine called Student. Similarly, Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, dropped out of college to focus on his business. Another example is Oprah Winfrey, the media mogul who hosts a popular talk show. Oprah started her career as a news anchor, but eventually branched out into other media formats such as radio and TV. She didn't get an MBA, but her business acumen and strong work ethic have contributed to her massive success. Then you've got other entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, who does hold an MBA. But does having an MBA guarantee success in business? Although an MBA can provide students with useful knowledge and skills, it's not a guarantee of success in the business world. Many factors contribute to the success, such as hard work and dedication and innovation and a little bit of luck. The knowledge learned in an MBA program may not be applicable to every business venture. Can an MBA hurt your chances of success in business? On the flip side, having an MBA degree may not always be an advantage, and that's because MBA graduates may become a little too focused on the traditional way of doing things and may be less willing to take risks and try new things. But this isn't always the case, of course, but it's something to consider. Firstly, pursuing an MBA can be expensive and time-consuming. MBA programs typically require a significant financial investment, and students often have to take out loans to cover the cost of tuition and living expenses. And that's not to mention the time that it takes to complete an MBA. They could take several years to complete, which means that aspiring entrepreneurs may have to put their business plans to the side or on hold during this time. And in that time, you could have scaled your business. Secondly, an MBA may not provide the hands-on experience and practical knowledge that entrepreneurs need to succeed in the real world. So while an MBA program can teach useful concepts and theories, they most likely won't teach students the realities of starting and running a business due to their theoretical nature. Entrepreneurship is often about taking risks and making quick decisions and adapting to changing circumstances, which can't always be taught in a classroom setting. Thirdly, an MBA can sometimes lead to a lack of creativity and innovation. MBA programs often emphasize rigid, standardized approaches to business, which may even discourage students from taking risks or pursuing unconventional ideas. Obviously, this could be an issue for an aspiring entrepreneur who often needs to think outside the box and come up with new, innovative solutions to problems. So, is an MBA actually necessary for starting a successful business? I personally don't think so. However, it can have its place if niche industry knowledge is necessary. As we discussed, many entrepreneurs have succeeded without an MBA degree and instead relied on their passion, creativity, and hard work to achieve their goals. And with that, if you're interested in starting a business one day or anything to do with the struggles of entrepreneurship, like and subscribe to this video for more content like this. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you.